To set up eSIM on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, just start by opening the settings for the first. Now you have to go into the mobile service and click to set up mobile service. Now wait for the loading screen, and after that we can find three different methods. I mean four of them, but one of them is actually hidden in the QR code. So you can transfer from nearby iPhone, from Android device, or use a QR code. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this with a QR code. So now, as you can see, if you receive this QR code from your service network provider, you are able to simply scan it by clicking here. And you've got two options. I just told you that one method is hidden. It's available here. So you have to just align your frame with a QR code over here. Make sure to put it like so to catch a focus on this. If you keep this too close to your camera, you will be not able to scan. But as you can see, in my case, it's unable to set up because I already activated in my phone. If you have the same issue, you can try to enter the details manually by clicking here, click scan QR code, and tap here to enter this activation code manually. So you should find the SMP address, activation code, and the confirmation code. You should find all of those information in this place on this card that you have received from your network provider. And yeah, now you just have to click next and follow on-screen instructions. Let me know if it was useful for you. Thanks for watching.